Another day, another pour. 48-inch crawl space, 22 by 30 with some pads in the middle. It's gonna be a big kit. We're dropping it in the next 2 weeks, building the whole thing from the ground up. So as an electrician and a plumber, look forward to showing you guys this kit. Finally got some concrete, everything's scheduled, and get it poured up, stripped down. Cool, that pour went rather successfully. Got all our piers built. There'll be a porch with a deck. All our anchor bolts are in place. Walls are super straight. Be stripping this thing early next week. Got some big ridge beam to set. I think we're doing 424 LVLs, like 30 feet. The snow's coming, windy. 3 guys, let's get them up. Cool.
You want me up there now?
You want me to go to my left? I think we're gonna try to go up like that again. Give me 1 sec.
You want me to come up now?
Might as well, Jay. Are you good where you're at? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yep. I'm gonna go help Jay. You good?
Yeah.
I got it. One, two, three. Nice. A little bit more. Can we go to you a little bit?
Yeah.
Touch more.
Touch more.
How are you? You hanging or you flush?
I'm flush.
Okay. We're at a party.
I got it. Number 2. Let's get her done. Yeah, I thought that the first one.
Oh, fucking up my cord here.
Yeah.
Give me a good reason to throw it away.
Hey Jay, I think
Yeah.
we're gonna have to go that way. Should I jump down and help you scoot it over as tight as we can to that scaffold?
Yeah.
I think we need to.
Room or not.
Quinn, if you bring it back your way, we'll get the more length.
We're gonna be in the way of the toilet seat.
Can you go any more, Q? Nice.
For a second.
Be able to make that work.
There you go.
1, 2, 3.
We're in. A little more. Yeah.
It's tighter than my prom date.
That's a good thing. This is going to be tight without 2x4.
Quinn, a little our way. Good fucking job, boys.
Yeah, you need to tap it. Would that be the easiest?
That's flush. Bringing you the gun. The quad pack. All right, me and Quinn haven't showed you guys really anything over here since we sat our first block of Nadura ICF. It's getting late in the season. We got ambitions. We love doing this part of the build, and we just got right on it, got going. We already got our inspection called, dropping the last couple pieces of our vertical rebar. All our doors and window jambs, rough openings have been set and foamed. Got our alignment system going on. We're gonna try to pour these walls sometime next week. Lakeside, you guys have seen a lot of that drone footage. We're gonna have a 14-inch TJI 210 on top of that, so it's gonna be even a foot higher than I see right now. And it's just gonna feel pretty tall. It's gonna feel cool. It's not that big of a footprint. It's not that big of a build, but it's high enough to where you can really utilize a lot of that lakeside view, which I know the owners are going to be really happy about. That's what they wanted. We're going to show you guys a big wraparound deck off this back side, and there's still a lot to show on this project. We've been busy going at it, but I look forward to showing you more of the details. You guys, I'm not going to show you or explain too much of our systems and steps that we take with our Nadura. I have several videos kind of explaining in depth how these systems with this Nadura ICF product takes place, and we love to use this stuff, so I look forward to showing you guys this pour. Two, going right here. It's a Ufer one right here. I'm trying to find our 26-inch dowel down there, and that's in the footing. We put a little piece of 3-inch PVC around it so that this top dowel will sit in real nice like. We also need to remind me, even on our horizontal, we need to put 2 pieces, or we need to put an extra piece of rebar,
Over the window.
6 inches on each side of the window. That's a perfect 22. All right, next time you guys see this place, the concrete truck will be here. Gotta show you pouring these walls and then pouring this slab, putting this main floor on. Full build material. Didn't show you a whole lot. If you want to see more Nadura ICF and the steps in building it, let us know in the comments.